What's going on, BG family? It's your backyard gardener. We're in the garden doing some harvesting and some looking around and inspecting. It's been hot. I've been busy, but the garden is holding its own. Gotta cut my grass. Gotta do some de-weeding. See what we got going on. Oh wow, look at the big melon right here.
He's stuck in between them.
Yeah, I got one. That's gonna be a challenge. But look at this, and look at that. Big watermelon sugar babies. We got maters coming in. I caught that blossom in right just in time. The weather had been beating down my plants, but I've been trying to keep up with the watering. So far, so good. Got peppers. We're going to harvest these today. Let me show you what I already harvested. You see some more over in there?
Yes, lots of watermelons in here.
We have cucumbers that I almost let get too big. We got my straight 8 cucumbers and my strike string beans here. We harvest. Well, we got some okra. Almost let get kind of too big. Okra, you really got to keep an eye on. You can come out one day and the next day it's too big. But yeah, we've been harvesting out of this straight 8 cucumber bush. That's another thing you have to keep an eye on, because if you can harvest those, they'll get big on you in a minute. So you can't put off. We still got more crimson spineless okra coming in. Those probably will be ready as early as tomorrow. We got banana peppers. And these watermelons are jamming, but I got one that's been grown through the gate. As you can see, the bush has vined out. I think we're going to get us some sweet potatoes this year. I'm going to move this out of the way and put it over somewhere else. But yeah, just wanted to show you what was going on. Met up with Mr. Charles Robinson yesterday, and he got his fig plants. There we go, sweet 100s. He got his fig plants. Nice gentleman. It's good to know your subscribers and meet up with them, especially when they're in your city or state. Fig trees are getting big. So everything is coming along. I have no complaints whatsoever. I'm giving those grapevines back there a good old watering and soaking in. Then I'm going to get out here tonight and start cutting the grass and de-weeding. That cherry plant is doing well. Everything, I have absolutely no complaints at all about this year's garden. Doing good. Just keep trying to keep up with the water, and it's the most thing, but having that water source back there has helped out a lot. So I can't complain at all. So that's my little harvest on my straight 8 cucumbers, strike bush beans, crimson spineless okra, sweet 100 tomatoes, and sweet banana peppers. It's your backyard gardener saying, happy gardening, everybody. Stay hydrated.